Everyone, welcome back on my channel. So today I am back with another video. I think it's 8th day of my speaking English, and if you asking about my speaking English, what I am doing, so I am doing nothing special. I am only make 1 2 YouTube videos on English spoken and 2 3 shorts, and except from this I am doing nothing. As I told you earlier, there is no atmosphere at my home to speak English because no one feel comfortable to speak in English. So I think it will take a long time to speak fluent English for me, because there is very less practice as comparison to other people, because I am speaking only when I make videos. Otherwise there is no uses of English at all in my home. So when I make some videos, in the same way I make my daily English spoken blog. If I told you about my area's weather, so I came to know in the morning there is rainy in the night, so weather are very pleasant at this time. Weather is very pleasant at this time, and there is no much need of AC, because I think temperature is at 40 degree, maybe approximate, and there is no sun, brightly sun, and there is cloudy in my home, cloudy atmosphere in my home. And if I speak about my today lunch breakfast fast, so in morning I had made potato prantha, and in afternoon I made chana and rice. So I have had my lunch, because today I have made video on have had. So we can use three in three way of have. First of all, I have a book, I have a car. When you have any possession, like I have a book, I have a pen, I have a car, I have a camera. And second way of using have had, you can use when I have had my lunch, I have had my dinner, I have had my breakfast. And we can also say I have eaten my lunch, I have eaten my food also. And third use of, I have learned that third use of have had is I have had a word. I have had a word means बात करना. I have had a word with him. मैंने उससे बात कर ली है. I have had a discussion. I have had the discussion. मैंने on this topic, मैंने इस टॉपिक में उससे बात कर ली है. तो देर आर थ्री यूजेस ऑफ have had, main two uses of have had. And second, I have learned that so called means only कहने मात्र से, only कहने का. they, that they are not using their power properly, and not using status, they are only for so called. जैसे you can say, मीनू इज़ माई सो कॉल्ड फ्रेंड. मीनू मेरी सिर्फ कहने मात्र की फ्रेंड है, उसने मेरी कभी हेल्प नहीं की, कभी जब मैं फ़ोन करती हूँ तो उठाती नहीं हूँ. मेरी फ्रेंड है लेकिन कहने की मात्र है. मीनू इज़ माई सो कॉल्ड फ्रेंड. या फिर माई अंकल इज़ एन सो कॉल्ड MLA. तो मेरे अंकल कहने के MLA हैं, मतलब उन्होंने अपने एरिया, दे डोंट डू anything special for the area development. So so called means only for say, only कहने मात्र का. And so this is my today routine till afternoon. At this time afternoon is going on, and I have had my lunch, and I have already uploaded 2 videos about have had and so called. And all also I have uploaded 2 3 shorts, but still I have very few subscriber. uh, in morning I came to know I have my 10 subscriber has completed, because till now I didn't tell to anyone, even my family member don't know about my channel. Only my daughter knows about my channels, about my channel. So I didn't tell anyone for my channel. So yesterday only 7 subscriber is there, but now in morning seen when I have seen there is 10 subscriber. So when I make videos, so when as I told you earlier that I am making video, but the main purpose to make video to improve myself. First of all, I have to improve myself, and I have to remove my hesitation in front of camera, as well as I have to enhance my communication skills. After then, on daily basis, I will prepare topics on daily basis. After then I will speak on that topic. But till now, in for the first month, or you can say 2 month, I will practice daily on whatever there is, doesn't matter but to speak, but I have to speak. And no matter there is no matter I am speaking right or wrong, whatever speaking for the practice and enhance my communication skills, and as well as improving my English skills. So thank you friend for watching. If you want to improve English with me through my channel, then you can subscribe my channel and like my videos. And thank you for watching.